In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos to a design on Visme. Whether you're new to Visme or just looking to spruce up your projects with some imagery, we'll walk through every step together to ensure you have all the tools you need. First things first, let's dive into opening your project. To get started, navigate over to your chosen project in the Visme editor. This could be anything from a presentation or infographic to a social graphic. It's the place where you want to incorporate your photos to enhance your design. Once you're in the editor, take a look at the left sidebar. This is where you'll find an array of tools and options that Visme offers to make your design creative and unique. In this case, our focus will be the Photos tab. Go ahead and click on it. This tab is your gateway to accessing both stock photos and any images you've uploaded previously. Now, if you have specific images that you've captured or created and want to include in your design, you'll need to upload these. In the Photos tab, you'll notice an option for uploading files. Click on Upload and then opt for From My PC. This action will allow you to browse through your computer's files effortlessly. Select the image or images you'd like to feature in your project. Remember, Visme is quite flexible with its supported file types, so whether your images are in JPG, PNG, SVG, or even GIF format, you're good to go. A neat feature here is that you don't necessarily have to use the Upload button if you don't want to. If dragging and dropping is more your style, feel free to drag any image directly onto the canvas from your File Explorer. Once uploaded, these images are not just appearing momentarily on your canvas. They're stored in your Visme account under My Files or My Images. The advantage here is that not only can you access them easily again for future projects, but you also save time by not needing to re-upload each time you want to use a particular image. This functionality makes it incredibly efficient to manage your image assets and keeps your workflow smooth. There you have it. With these easy steps, you can add those meaningful visuals to your Visme design and really make your project shine. Whether you're showcasing data visually or telling a compelling story through graphics, the right images can make all the difference. Thanks for following along today, and now it's your turn to try this out and see just how vibrant your designs can become. Until next time, keep creating.